Now we speak matters business, where chicken, pizza and burgers are the top 3 most ordered food items online in the country. This is according to the Jumia Food Index that indicates that Kenyans are becoming more creative and less traditional in the way they source for their daily meals. Jumia Kenya CEO Mwangi says the growing internet penetration is driving uptake of e-commerce services, with shoppers increasingly ordering for non-traditional items.
There are 23.35 million internet users in Kenya in January 2022, with the internet penetration rate at 42% of the total population. Data from the Communication Authority of Kenya indicates that internet users increased by 1.6 million between 2021 and 2022. Internet users are projected to hit 53.6% by 2025. Players in the e-commerce industry believe expanding internet penetration and the middle class would drive uptake of the online trade.
3 years, but super excited now to be bringing Dominos online onto Jumia, which will, of course, offer Dominos the opportunity to, sell to our 3 million plus base of customers. But more importantly, to our customers, we're very passionate about our customers, to offer you now even more choice.
Great. Well, we're very excited, first of all, to bring the Domino's brand onto the Jumia platform. We've been with Jumia for some years as partners with Coldstone Creamery brand, and we've been very happy with the results.
A study on consumer spending revealed that 4 out of 5 surveyed consumers in Kenya are shopping more since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, a trend expected to stay.
I see growth in online and in e-commerce. I see a huge growth coming there. Not sure that it will ever completely eradicate that little supermarket trip, but definitely becoming more and more prevalent, and more customers coming on board.
To further boost its market share, Jumia Food has inked a deal with Dominos Pizza that will see consumers order for meals across the various Domino's outlets in Nairobi and Mombasa. On its part, from the US franchise, Domino's will be leveraging Jumia's network to expand its reach. Chicken, pizza and burgers are the top 3 most ordered food items in the country.
So we currently have 7 Domino's stores in Kenya. 6 of them are in Nairobi, 1 in Mombasa. We are in the process of doing a big geographical launch in Kenya. We're expecting to double the size of our fleet, so to go to 14 stores by the end of this year. And we see great potential in Kenya, and we want to make sure that we cover all neighborhoods, and we're not there yet in the big cities. The plan is to focus on Nairobi and Mombasa, and then more regionally into Kisumu, into potentially Nyanyuki, but definitely Nakuru, definitely Eldoret as well.